Kamusta? Okay lang po. Good. My question is the hashtag my strength. Yes.
Salamat po sa question. Ang strength ko po, unang-una ay ang Diyos. Siya po ang lahat ng nagbigay ng aking lakas, emosyon, physical, lakas ng katawan, upang magampanan ko ang lahat na malayo sa pamilya at makapagtrabaho ng maayos dito sa abroad nang walang sakit ng katawan at ikalawa, ang aking pamilya, lalong-lalo na ang aking mga anak, anak, because it's only one, ang aking mga kaibigan nang walang sawang sumusuporta sa akin at nagpapalakas ng aking loob at hindi nila ako iniiwan sa laban ng buhay. Maging down man ako or up, sila yung tunay na tao na gumagabay sa akin upang ipagpatuloy ang laban ng aking buhay. Thank you.
I will try my best to translate in English. My strength first is God, because God gave us my strength to pursue my physical. She gave me my physical strength. Second is my family, which they gave my child, which is she has a child, and friends, and they gave me the inspiration of her. And lastly, friends and relatives, they give inspiration and a source. It serves as source of strength of her. Thank you.
Now, let's go candidate number 2, Maria Flor Torres. You can choose.
Cute. Hawakan mo nga to. Hawakan mo nga.
Judge number 7.
Tanungin ko si...
Judge number 7, Dimitris is not here anymore. So we will call to Mr. Gladwin, please.
How are you, candidate number 2?
I'm confidently beautiful and confident.
Okay, perfect. So, is this your hashtag? Hashtag success.
Good afternoon, teacher number 1. Thank you for coming for this wonderful event for all of us. For me, success is the result of all preparation. The ultimate thing that we can do in our life. This can be achieved with hard work, happiness, determination, and immense pleasure and satisfaction. Success, it works with action, and I thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Success is a word with action. Ika naman. Actually, there is a lot of preferences between of success. It's like, for me, success is when my family is smiling, right? Okay, let's welcome candidate number 3. And your judge is judge number 5. Mr. Gladwin.
Si Angela?
Hello, Angela.
May kaya
Are you feeling nervous? Hashtag independent woman. I repeat. I'm working. Candidate number 3 is hashtag determination.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for that wonderful questions. I am a woman with determination, providers with all my families
very well said. I repeat, ladies and gentlemen, while answering the candidates, please refrain from shouting. Thank you very much. Okay, candidate number 4 is Ms. Isa Pascu. Would you mind to greet from your supporter?
Hello everyone! Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga naging family ko dito sa Cyprus na walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin, especially Team Puyong Ticol Teriana, the original FFOP!
Thank you. Let's pick your judge. She picked judge number 4, Ms. Delisa.
Hello, good afternoon. Contest number 4. How are you?
I'm good.
This is your hashtag dream. Hashtag dream.
Lahat naman po tayo dito, may kanya-kanya tayong pangarap sa buhay. Ang pinagkaiba lang natin ay hindi tayo pare-pareho kung anong gusto nating marating. Katulad ko, isa lang naman yung pangarap ko yung matupad ko kung ano yung pangarap ng pamilya ko. At kung natupad ko yung pangarap ng pamilya ko, I already achieved my dream also. Thank you.
We are different dreams as individual differences. But the ultimate dreams that I have is the dream of my family to conquer. Because that is my ultimate dream, to become succeed, the dream of my family. And I am contented with that. Thank you. Okay, candidate number 5, would you mind to cheers from your supporter?
Thank you everyone, even if you don't know me, thank you for support, especially Dario. Thank you.
So judge number 1, the ever gorgeous lover.
Hi, good afternoon. Good luck. Good afternoon.
Okay, let's go with independent woman.
Independent woman. Independent woman is not afraid of being alone. She can hear everything without hesitation. She can solve issues and she solves issues and complete tasks with her own, and she's not reliable on the presence of others. Thank you.
Very well said, candidate number 5. Let's go on, candidate number 6. Elizabeth Fountain Campo. Would you like to thank your supporters?
To all my family, FFOC, Sika, ang yaman ang atong amin, my second family, Lord Bahay, especially Mamis, Serenity. Thank you.
Your judge now. So you pick judge number 6, the ever gorgeous mom.
What about nature lover? Nature lover. Nature lover means finding a balance and peace in the beautiful world around us. I believe caring for the environment reflects how we care for ourselves and to others. By immersing myself in a nature, I learn peace, resilience, and the importance of nurturing life. It's not just about appreciating the beauty of the earth, but to inspire others to protect and cherish it for the future generations.
Sabina, ever shining shimmers candid. Would you mind to thank all your supporters? You're a crowd favorite, one of the crowd favorites actually.
I would like to thank everyone, especially the Hiligayon family, and especially my husband, my mother-in-law, and my father-in-law. Thank you so much for your love and support, and all my friends and family.
You pick your judge. Again, the ever gorgeous Madam. Judge number 6.
Hello, candidate number 7. Hello. So your hashtag is keep going.
Hashtag keep going. I know we have too much challenges facing right now, too much struggle, too much disappointment. But always believe that this is not a hindrance for us to stop going. Yet, make this as a motivation for us to keep going. Because I do believe that no matter how hard life is, have faith in yourself. Keep praying, keep going. Because I know in the end, you will make it. That is your
Everyone, let's keep going.